So, wait, hello. This is my slime. Super glittery. This is inside. And so what I did is I added glue, one bottle, food coloring, I added gain to make it sticky, and I used glitter. Well, I used 3 times. I used it 3 times for the glitter. No, for the game of the soap. And yeah, and then I put glitter and I start working with my hands. And look at that. So if you want to make your slime, ask your mom or dad if they can get you clear glue, regular glue, or glitter glue. Ooh, that should be for me. Glitter glue. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. Should I make my first ever slime video? Okay, let's see you next time. Peace.